Hello guys, so our next question is 20 ml of 0.1 molar H2SO4 is added to 30 ml of 0.2 m NH4OH, then calculate pH 4 of the resultant solution. So in this question H2SO4 is added to NH4OH, then we have to find the pH of resultant solution, and we have given pKb of NH4OH. Okay, so to find out this, we have to first write the equation of this solution, which is H2SO4 plus twice of NH4OH give NH4SO4 plus H2O. So as we know that H2SO4 break down and form 2H plus and SO4 2 negative, and this have 0.2 molar mass and this has 0.1, and all we know that C concentration equals to number of moles by volume. So to find out number of moles is equals to C into V, and we have given C concentration and V volume 20, so we get 2 molar 2 mm, and for NH4OH we find out 6 mm. So for when T is equals to T, so 2 minus 2 will be 0 and 6 minus 4 will be 2, and for the SO4 negative it will be 4 mm and H2O for 2 mm. So basically it is a buffer solution and it is complete neutralization process and the formula for this will be POH equals to pKb plus log base 10 salt plus base. So the pKb is given in the solution, which is 4.7, and plus log, and the salt in this solution is NH4OH, oh sorry, NH positive, which is 4, and the base is NH4OH, which is left only 2. So log 2 by 4 by 2 is 2, and we know the value of log 2. Let's see. So correct answer is A. Thank you.